Sending a lot of friend requests within a minute. Log in into a Facebook account. Accepting friend requests to avoid error. You can skip this. Browsing one friend's profile who has a lot of friends. Unfortunately, he got only 126 friends. Right-click the mouse to open Inspect and go to Console tab. Do not forget to browse the full page to load all the friends in the list. Now we will write the JavaScript code to send about 25 or less friends to send request. Because Facebook now freezes add friend option for an hour if the number is more than 50. We will now collect the class value from the element and then paste it in the console as I do. I manually set the value I and j for the for loop. Then I will increase the value of j as the finishing range until all the request is sent. Sometimes a pop-up message will appear. If Facebook thinks that you are unknown to him or her, you have click Add Friend when appears a pop-up. And sometimes you cannot send friend requests to some accounts if they limit their choice of adding friends. You will need not to worry. The code is added in the description. Now it is done sending all the requests. Thanks for watching. There were 61 friend requests was sent.